Donald Trump has called for Russia and Ukraine to settle the conflict once and for all, warning that if there is failure to do so, it could potentially lead to World War III. He stated that the US will step back if both sides refuse peace talks, emphasizing the need to end the war to prevent further loss of life. So this is another statement that is now coming in from Donald Trump.
We're doing very well with Russia, but right now they're bombing the hell out of Ukraine. And I'm finding it more difficult, frankly, to deal with Ukraine. And they don't have the cards. They don't have the cards. As you know, we're meeting in Saudi Arabia on sometime next week, early, and we're talking. Would I find that in terms of getting a final settlement, it may be easier dealing with Russia, which is surprising because they have all the cards. And Ukraine has to get on the ball and get a job done.
Well, Rishabh, what do we make of this statement where President Trump says that dealing with Russia is far more easier than dealing with Ukraine? For we have seen exactly when that open televised spat that happened between the two presidents.
Well, when Donald Trump is talking about Ukraine and Russia, his only end agenda is the last mile agenda is to stop this war at once. And he wants it to be done as soon as possible. A few experts say that Donald Trump has also would have given a deadline to both the leaders, be it Zelensky or Putin, that there will be a ceasefire negotiated within, say, 10 days to 12 days as well. Ukraine is very clear that they will not approve of any ceasefire. They will not appropriate any ceasefire for that matter till all the territory of Ukraine is returned back to Ukraine. Be it, be it Kharkiv, be it Odessa, be it Donbass, be it Luhansk, the way Russians have advanced in that areas, Ukraine say they'll have to go back, which means that Ukraine wants 1/3 of its territory that is right now in Russian, Russian custody or Russian authority. What we are given to understand that Putin, on the other hand, is okay with the ceasefire, given that he wants that it has to be us, standing on the current situation. Wherever whoever is sitting will keep sitting. There is what Moscow is pushing for, and that is the reason that we see different negotiations happening with
Moscow. The US President Donald Trump suggests that it is easier to deal with Moscow than with Ukraine. However, also talks about imposing sanctions and tariffs on Russia if peace deal or negotiations do not take place with Ukraine. Rishabh, thank you very much for the moment. With that, we head into a short break.